हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल विजय क्लासेस। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वर्कशीट ऑफ क्लास 7। इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर चैप्टर, दैट इज़ चैप्टर 11 इन मैथ्स एनसीईआरटी। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Here first question is given, find the area of parallelogram with the base 5 centimeter and altitude 4.2. Area of parallelogram is what? Area of parallelogram is b into h. Okay, base into height. So base is given 5 and height is given, altitude is height, altitude is given 4.2. You just need to multiply these two. So 5 to the 10, 0, and 5 for the 20, and 21 is the answer. Okay, so you will get answer by multiplying the base into height. You will get the parallelogram. Okay, and area always comes in unit square. Here unit is centimeter, so centimeter square. Okay, now next is find the altitude of the triangle whose base and area is given. So it is triangle, base is 20 given. Okay, and area is given 150. Altitude you have to find, it means this line you have to find dotted one, it is height. So formula for area is, for a triangle, half base into height, it is given 150. So let's solve it. It is 1 by 2, base is 20, and height we have to find, and it is equal to the area. Now 2 is in divide here, this side 2 will go there and multiply with 150. Okay, we will remove from here 2. Now this is 20 will multiply with h. Okay, multiply with height, so this 20 is multiplication, there it will go with divide. So 20 will go in divide, and 150 multiply by 2 upon 20, this will provide you height. 0 to 0 cancel, by 2 you cut this 2. Okay, so 15 is the answer for this base. Fine. Now question number 3 is saying that find the area of an isosceles triangle if one of equal sides is 20. See, it is isosceles triangle and right angle triangle, both are there. See, both is written isosceles right angle. So it is 90 degree, and which sides are equal? These two sides are equal, 1 and 2, red one, because they are isosceles triangle. But hypotenuse cannot be equal. Why? Because hypotenuse is the longest side. So these two sides are equal, and these are given 20 20, and it is of 90 degree. Direct put the formula, half base into height, base is 20 and height is also 20, because it is right angle triangle. So that's why when you will cut, you will get answer 200 centimeter square of this question. Okay, a TV screen has dimension is given, find the area. TV screen, it is dimension of rectangle, so rectangle area is L into B. If you multiply 72 into 18, you will get your answer here. Okay, fine. And don't forget to put the centimeter square in area, because area always comes in centimeter square. Fine. Now fifth question, find out the perimeter of a square if its area is 169. Square area, I know it is what? Area of a square is 169 is given. Let's write again. Area of a square is what? Side into side, and its area is given 169, and side multiply side. So side, two sides multiply will provide 169. So 1 is equal to 13, or directly you can say that square root of 169 is what? That is 13. So 13 is one side of a square, and perimeter you have to find. Perimeter how to find? Side into 4, 4 into side, and side is 13, and 13 we are getting by square root of 169. So 13, 5 4 the 52. To answer A is correct. Fine. Now question number 6 is find out the area of rectangle whose perimeter is given and length is given. Perimeter of rectangle is what? P equals to 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is 1200 and multiply 2. Length is given 500 and breadth you have to find. Okay, so this 2 will go in divide here, it will become 600, and this 500 is in plus with B, so it will come here with minus, opposite side transfer. Okay, so B value is coming 100. B value is 100. L equals to 500 and B equals to 100. Area you have to find, so multiply these two, it means 5 and after it 40 will come. So 50,000 centimeter square is the answer of it. Answer number C is correct. Now last question of this sheet is the perimeter of a rectangle is given 100 meter, length is same question as I explained right now. Let's see one more time. The perimeter is given. Perimeter we know that it is 2 into L plus B and it is equal to 100 is given. So L value is what? L value is 20. Keep there 20. B value we have to find, and this 2 we are sending other side. Okay, sending other side means upon 100. So when we divide 100 by 2, it will come 50 will come, and this 20 also. Okay, this 20 also will go other side, right hand side, in minus. So 50 minus 20 is what? 30. So question number 7, option D is correct, 30. I hope all the answers is clear. If you still any doubt in any question, you can leave your query in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, many more videos are coming related to the chapter. Just be with us. Thank you.